Welcome to this demonstration of TVP Animation 9. In 10 minutes I'm going to make a bouncing ball. This is the factory default. I'm going to click some of these just to get myself some room. And I need a pencil to paint with, so I'm going to use one of these preset pencils over here on the side. I'm going to stretch those up out of the way, make a new image layer. I need a background. Drag that to the bottom. Background layer. I'm going to create a room for the ball to bounce within. Need to establish my space. Okay. Make another image layer. It's going to be my guide. I'm going to set both of these layers to hold so that they last more than one, so that even if I'm further ahead, they don't disappear on me. I need the ball to start here on my guide layer. Okay. I need it to strike here, here, here. I want the ball to travel through this space. Okay. Now I go back to my line layer, draw the ball in black line, turn on my light table, edit my preferences, turn on subpixel mode, click my proxy, stress test my hard drives, so it figures out the maximum rate that the proxy is capable of, the best quality to dump. Set up my light table, decrease the opacity on the preceding and advancing frames. Clear these frames, so I now have individual frames here. And begin. I need in-betweens on these frames. Backspace to clear. More in-betweens. One more in between. It's too fast. Take it to 12. One more frame for the bounce out. Okay. Need to clean the line. So I selected all these frames, hit the blue ink bottle, turned all the black lines into blue lines. Now I revise. I have to get rid of the blue line, so I select all the frames, delete the blue. I need to fill this. I'm going to make a new animation layer, turn off my old light table, resize a layer, add into images, use a fill tool. I need a color. Choose a paint bucket tool. If I right click, it will erase. Use the front layer, which is my line layer, as the source. The only problem is that it leaves a fringe. So to get rid of this fringe, you expand by 1 pixel. I need a shadow. Make a new animation layer. Put the shadow underneath the fill layer. I'm going to get rid of my guide layer. I'm going to lock my background layer because I don't need to change it. Going to lock my line, going to lock my, leave my fill alone. Okay, I need a bigger brush for my shadow. First I need to use black for a shadow. I need to unlink the pressure. So now it's always constant. Link the power to the pressure instead. And I have to make it so that these turn off drawing so that I can lay 2 strokes on top of them, each other without them building up. Maybe a smaller brush. Now I need to shade the ball. I'm going to lock, right now it's doing that. I need to lock my alpha channel off so it constrains to finally, I'm going to take the power, unlink the power, bring the size back to pressure, make it small, choose a white, put the highlight on. And that's it. Ooh, too fast. Project, modify project, turn that off. 12.5, modify. There you are. 10 minutes. Or less.